Hello students, welcome to Academic Aura. Today we begin with practice set 1.3. Now the first question is fill in the blanks with the correct answers. You have here. Now first understand this. Today we are going to do your determinant method, that is Cramer's rule. Okay. Now first understand what is determinant method. Suppose if you have A, B, C, D. So what we will do here is we will cross multiply. That is A, D minus BC. Okay, we will cross multiply. A multiplied by D minus B multiplied by C. In this way we can find out the value of the determinant. Okay, for example, if you have so here what you are going to do here is cross multiply this. 3 multiplied by 4 minus 2 multiplied by 5. So here you get 3 4s are 12 minus 2 5s are 10. So 12 minus 10, 2. Okay. So this is how we find the value of the determinant. Okay. Now see here in the first part, fill in the blanks. Same way, 3 multiplied by 5. Here we will write 3 multiplied. As I told you, you have to cross multiply here. So 3 multiplied by 5 minus 2 multiplied by 4. Next, 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 8. Okay, 3 multiplied by 5 minus 2 multiplied by 4. 3 5s are 15. 2 4s are 8. 15 minus 8 will be 7. Okay, now see the next one. Find the values of the following determinants. So we will again cross multiply here. Minus 1, put it in the bracket since there is a minus sign here. Minus 1 multiplied by 4 minus 7 multiplied by 2. Next step will be 1 4s are 4 and there is a minus sign there. Minus 2 7s are 14. Okay. So minus into minus plus. So 14 plus 4, 18 and sign of the greater number, that is minus. This is how you get. Now the next one. Again cross multiply. 5 multiplied by 0 minus 3 multiplied by minus 7. Put minus 7 in the bracket. Next, 5 zeros are 0. Okay. Now your minus 3 7s are 21. 3 7s are 21 and minus 21 since there is a minus sign here. Minus into minus plus. So you get 21 here. Okay. Understood? Now this one, see here, 7 upon 3 cross multiply, again cross multiply here, 7 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 2 and 5 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 2. I'll do it here. 7 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 2. Now you have to multiply. 7 1s are 7. 3 2s are 6. Put the minus sign here. 5 3s are 15. Again 3 2s are 6. So what you get here? 6 is common here. Write it once. 7 minus 15. 7 minus 15. 7 minus 15 will be 8 upon 6. 7 minus 15. Put the minus sign here. Okay. Now you can reduce this to the lowest form. In 2 times table you can divide it. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. So you get minus 4 upon 3. Understood? So now we do the third part, that is solve the simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. Okay? Now suppose first what we do is we write down both the equations. Okay, after writing both the equations, what you do is first write A1, B1 and C1. Next you will write is A2, B2 and C2. Suppose now see the coefficient of the first equation 3, minus 4 and 10. That will be your A1, B1, C1. Then the coefficient of the next equation 4, 3 and 5. This will be your A2, B2 and C2. So A1 will be 3, B1 minus 4 and C will be 10. Next is A2, B2 and C2. A2 is 4. This will be 3 and this will be 5. Okay. Now what we do is first we will find out D. We will find the value of the determinant D. Now to find the value of determinant, we will only take these two. A1, A2, B1, B2. Okay. Understood? We won't take this. We will only take these two. A1, A2, B1, B2. Just find the value of this first. A1, A2 is 3 upon 4, 3 and 4. B1, B2 minus 4, 3. Now what we will do is we will cross multiply here. 3 multiplied by 3 minus 4 multiplied by 4. Okay. So now you have to multiply. 3 3s are 9 minus 4 4s are 16 and there is a minus sign here. So 4 4s are 16 minus 16. So here you get 9 minus into minus plus and this 16. So what we get here? 16 plus 9, 25. So this we got the value of D. Okay. Now we will find the value of dx. Now to find the value of dx, write this as it is. B1, B2. Okay. But here in this place we will take C1, C2. D will be A1 up A1, A2, B1, B2. dx will be get B as it is down over here. B will be same, but here we will take C1 and C2. Next step will be write down the values of C1, C2. See here, C1, C2, that is 10 and 5. Next B1, B2. B1, B2 is minus 4 and 3. Minus 4 and 3. So now we will cross multiply for this and get the value of dx. So cross multiply this. You will get 10 multiplied by 3 minus 4 multiplied by 5. So 10 3s are 30. Minus into minus, don't do that. Minus, keep it as it is. Now 4 5s are 20. Minus 20. There is a minus sign here. So 4 5s are will be minus 20. So you get here 30. Minus into minus plus 20. What you get here is 30 plus 20, 50. Okay. Now we got the value of D. We got the value of dx. Now we will find the value of dy. Now see here. What we will do is C1 upon C2 we will get on this side. Okay. And here we will write A1, A2. Okay. This C1 of C2, get it on the right hand side. And here we will place A1, A2 to find the value of dy. Okay. Now see A1 and A2. A1, A2. It's 3 and 4. So write 3, 4, 3 and 4. C1, C2. C1, C2 is given 10 and 5. So write 10 and 5. Now cross multiply and find out the answer. So when you cross multiply this, 3 multiplied by 5 minus 10 multiplied by 4. 3 5s are 15 minus 10 4s are 40. Okay. So here you get 25. Sign of the greater number minus here. Okay. So see, we have got the value of d, we found the value of dx, and we got the value of dy. Understood? Now we will use Cramer's rule. So by Cramer's rule, now using Cramer's rule, we will find the value of x and y. So to find the value of x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Understood? X is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Now dx, see what we got dx. Dx we got 50 and d we got 25. Okay. So when we reduce this, 25 ones are 25 twos are. So here we get 2. X we got 2. Now y is equal to dy upon d. dy we got minus 25 upon d. d we got 25. When we divide this, 25 ones are, you get minus 1 here. Okay. So we got the values of x and y. So this is how to find the values of x and y by Cramer's rule. That is the determinant method. So answer, the solution of the equation x y is equal to, x is 2 and y is minus 1. Okay. So now we'll do the second sum. First we will convert this equation in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. Okay. So see this, 4x plus 3y is equal to, get this minus 4 over here on the right hand side. So minus 4 will become plus 4. Okay. And same way even this equation we will convert it in ax plus by is equal to c in that form. So 6x will be here only. This minus 5y, when you get it on the left hand side, it will become plus 5y is equal to, 8 is over here only, so keep it as it is. 8 is on the right hand side only, so keep it as it is. Only this minus 5y we brought it on the left hand side, so minus 5y became plus 5y. Now we will write a1, b1 and c1. Next is a2, b2 and c2. Okay. Now this is your a1, b1, c1. So this is 4, 3 and this is again 4. This is your a2, b2 and c2. That is 6, 5 and 8. Okay. So we write all this. Now first we will only take these two. Okay, we won't take this, we will only take these two and find out the determinant. D is equal to a1, a2, b1, b2. Now write this, write the values a1, a2, 4, 6 and b1, b2, 3 and 5. Now we will cross multiply this. That is 4 multiplied by 5 minus 3 multiplied by 6. So 4 5s are 20 minus 3 6s are 18. Here you get 2. Okay. The value of d we got 2. Now we will find dx. Now dx will be this b1 b2 will be as it is, b1 b2. This get it down as it is. But instead of this we will write c1 c2. Now see c1 c2. c1 c2 is 4 and 8 and b1 b2 3 5. Now we will cross multiply this. 4 5s are 4 into 5 minus 3 into 8. Here you get 4 5s are 20 minus 3 8s are 24. Here you will get 24 minus 20, 4 minus 4. Okay. So here we got dx. Now we will find the value of dy. Now dy will be this c1 c2, you get it on the right hand side, c1 c2, and here on the left hand side you will get a1 a2. Now see what is a1 a2. a1 a2 4 6 and c1 c2 4 8. So when we cross multiply this, 4 multiplied by 8 minus 4 multiplied by 6. 4 8s are 32 minus 4 6s are 24. Okay. So when you subtract this, you will get 8. See. Now we got the value of d, we got the value of dx, we got the value of dy. Okay. Now by Cramer's rule, we will find the value of x and y. So first x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Okay. X is equal to dx upon d, y is equal to dy upon d. Now see what is dx. dx we got minus 4 and d we got 2. So this we 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Here you get minus 2. Now dy upon d. dy we got 8 and d is 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So here we get 4. Okay. So answer, the solution of the equation xy is equal to x is minus 2 and 4. Understood? Now we do the next sum. Now the third sum. First see if the equation is in order in ax plus by is equal to c in that form. Okay. So now we can do the sum. First what you do is write down both the equations. X plus 2y is equal to minus 1 and the second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Okay. First write down both the equations. After writing both the equations, we will write a1, b1, c1. a1, b1, c1. Next we will write a2, b2 and c2. Okay. Now see the coefficient of this first equation. Here we have 1, no number, so 1. Here we have plus 2, that is 2. And here we have c is minus 1. Okay. Next equation, this is 2. This is a2, b2, c2. So this is 2. This is minus 3 and this is 12. Okay. So now we will first find out the value of the determinant d. d is equal to, take these two, a1 up a2, b1 b2. Next step is write down their values. a1 a2 1 and 2, b1 b2 2 and minus 3. Next step will be cross multiply. 1 multiplied by minus 3 minus 2 multiplied by 2. So 1 3s will be 3, that is minus 3 minus 2 2s are 4. Now minus into minus will be plus, so 4 plus 3 7, sign of the greater number. So here d we got minus 7. Now we will find out dx. For dx, write b1 b2 as it is. b1 b2 get it down as it is. Instead of a we will write here c. So C1 and C2. Okay. Now write down their values. C1, C2, minus 1, 12. And here we have B1, B2, 2 and minus 3. Okay. So now we will cross multiply. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 3 minus 2 multiplied by 12. So here, see here, minus into minus will be plus. So 3 ones are 3 and minus into minus will become plus. So we don't have to put the sign here. Next is this sign minus. 12 twos are 24. Okay. So when you subtract this, you will get 24 minus 3, 21 and sign of the greater number. That is 21 sign, minus sign will come here. Okay. Now we got dx. Now we will find out dy. Now for dy, C1, C2 will come on the right hand side. And here we will have A1 and A2. Okay. A1, A2. Now A1, A2, 1 and 2. C1, C2, minus 1 and 12. Okay. Now cross multiply. 1 multiplied by 12 minus 1 multiplied by 2. 12 ones will be 12 only. Keep this minus sign as it is. 2 ones are 2 and there is a minus sign here in the bracket. So 2 ones are 2, that will be minus 2. Next step, 12 minus into minus plus and this 2 here. So you get 12 plus 2, 14. See. So now we got d, dx and dy. So now by Cramer's rule, okay, first we will find out x. X is equal to dx upon d. Dx we got minus 21 and d is minus 7. Now minus and minus will get cancelled. Your 7 ones are 7, 7 3s are 21. So we got 3 here. X we got 3. Now we will find the value of y. Y will be dy upon d. Now dy we got 14 and here we have minus 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So here we get, this minus sign will go on top. Here you get minus 2. Then we write the solution of the equation. Answer. The solution of the equation x, y is equal to, x is 3 and here we have minus 2. 3 and minus 2.